It's not that difficult to feed birds by hand. It just takes some time. If you just want to do it, go to one of those parks that a lot of people do and make videos where the birds are used to it. They're used to people hand feeding them. They'll come down and see you, and you'll get to see a variety of birds. The other option is stand still like a statue with seed, and I recommend near your feeder with the same seed in there, and just wait. It may take an hour, it may take a week of hours, but you know, it'll happen. As far as calling birds to you, that's a different story. That's up to them. They know I want to feed them when they hear me call them, but that took a year to make it almost perfect. I did have one advantage in the beginning though, to hand feed, because they were already coming to me and landing on me when I walked through the yard. I feel blessed for that. Now I can't teach this. I heard a subtle, tiny little peep from a chickadee. Yep. I don't know. It's just the right little peep. I knew this one was going to try to get my attention. You want to come back? Come here, babe. Come here. Come on back. All right. Get something. After a year of doing this, I'm going to go out on a limb and say we understand each other, and we do to a certain extent. We don't understand each other's words and peeps exactly, but we understand what each other means. You want to come see me? Come here. Hello.